Hey guys, this is going to be a short video on Vindale Research. A lot of people tout that Vindale Research is a good video platform, or good survey platform to use. But I have to say, in my recent experience using Vindale Research, I've only gotten 2 credits or 2 surveys that would qualify me and go through all the finishing process, and all the rest of the time I would get disqualified. And they give you a lot of chances to do it though, that's the plus, and they give you a lot of emails in which you can have survey opportunities sent to you, but 90% of those opportunities you don't qualify for. And so I've had better luck on programs like instagc.com, swagbucks.com. I can link you down to those in the description. But yeah, I've had better luck with those than with Vindale. A lot of times you go through a profiler first on Vindale Research, and they'll ask you a couple of qualifying questions, and then a lot of times it'll just disqualify you and say, oh, another survey is accepting you, another survey is accepting you, and it gets, after a while, it gets to be honestly just a cesspool of, rabbit hole survey after survey. It's like the rabbit hole of surveys. That's what I like to call it. And I don't think it's doing me very well in the gift card lifestyle space, or in the space of earning, money online through gift cards and all that. So I think you're better off with Swagbucks surveys or instagc.com, and also you could throw in inboxdollars.com. But other than that, pretty much Vindale Research is a no for me.